It's morning, a brand new day, and yesterday I went to this girl called Katrina's house. She is my friend, and I haven't like she dyed my hair, and I told her to dye it like this ombre blonde color, and she said that it didn't really turn out that well. So I'm hungry right now, so I'm just gonna go find some food. And yeah, hopefully it's the color that I want. And she said that it would stay in for a couple months. And yeah, actually, and hopefully the color does stay in for like a month or two if I really don't like it. Um, so I'm going, if there's anything wrong, she told me to call her. So I'm going to call her if there is anything wrong. So yes. Um Need to feed my parrots. Eh. Um I'm gonna go feed my parrot and then I am going to look at my hair. Um No, I just killed my parrot. No, I don't kill my parrot. Yay, I got a rainbow parrot. Yay. No, wait, I got a blue parrot this time. I killed my rainbow one. So let's look at my hair. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my OMG, I gotta call her right now and tell her. And I have the iPhone app. This just basically a book that I signed, so yeah. Katrina! Yes, Katrina. Thank you for answering my call. You dyed my hair rainbow. I wanted, I wanted it ombre. No, it is not okay. How long will they stay in for? 1 year? I cannot wait for a year. Can you not dye it back? You don't have the right color? You're a professional hairdresser though. I'm not dealing with you. Bye. Well, it is nice. I'm just gonna see if I can dye it back. Yeah. So this is my original hair color. Good. I'm glad that I quickly dyed it back. I'm going to put my phone back. And I really hate Kate. I really hate Katrina. She did that on purpose. She said that she did it on purpose because she wanted to get me angry. Why would you do that? Can't eat seeds? Well, that's a bit of a shame. Um, don't. I say hello, but me don't be shy. Take control of me. Gonna be lit tonight. I don't not stop. Stay alone, but me don't be shy. Me. I need to find some food quick. There's never food around my house. Am I gonna have to go to? Am I going to have to go grocery shopping? Ah! 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 No. Sorry, got my phone right. I have full hunger now. I'm going to walk into my parrot and let my parrots. Ta-da! I'm the professional with parrots. Yep. Now I'm gonna go to Katrina's house and ask her to dye my hair back. Hello, Katrina. Are you free? Okay, I'm coming over. Okay. Okay. Bye. So I'm finally back home. I haven't had a chance to look at my hair. So this is going to be a surprise for me. So I'm gonna go up onto the balcony to see the. I like the balcony, and the community didn't even say I could build it, but I just built it. So, oh my God, this is such the color. This is the right color I wanted. Oh my gosh, I love Katrina. Look at the back of my hair. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Ah. So I'm glad that she did this because if she didn't, I'd be so mad at her. Difficulty and um. So I I don't have any names. So. And I'm sorry that this is not on my gaming channel. I know it's my main channel, but I don't really care. Down to the socks like I'm Minnie Mouse. Woo! So guys, I'm gonna end it here. I hope you enjoyed my role play. I'd love to see you guys in my next video. Bye!